परिचय करा दो।
हाँ ठीक है। सभी को शुभ दोपहर, गुड आफ्टरनून टू एवरीवन। तो बच्चों, तो शायद आप जानते होंगे हमारे इस समाज में कुछ ऐसे लोग होते हैं केवल वे अपने स्वार्थ को ही देखते, और कुछ ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जो अपने स्वार्थ के लिए कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार भी हो जाते हैं, और कुछ ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जो दूसरों की भलाई में अपनी भलाई को देखता है और दूसरों की भलाई में अपने आनंद और संतोष को भी देखते हैं। तो शायद ऐसी श्रेणी में आ जाएंगे आज हमारे इस सभा के मुख्य वक्ता जी श्री जगदीश देशमुख जी। तो सबसे पहले मैं हमारे प्राचार्य महोदय की तरफ से, आप सभी की तरफ से, हमारे इस जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय कैनाम की तरफ से मैं उनका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ, और मैं हमारे प्रिय प्राचार्य महोदय से अनुरोध करता हूँ कि वे एक सुंदर पुष्पगुच्छ के साथ सर का सभा में स्वागत करें। ठीक है, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो सर का थोड़ा सा संक्षिप्त परिचय अभी मैं आपके सम्मुख रखना चाहता हूँ। तो अभी 2-3 मिनट पहले मैंने सर के बारे में 1 मिनट मैंने सुना, यही बातें, इन बातों के माध्यम से सर का परिचय देने का प्रयास करूँगा। अभी मैंने कहा सर का पूरा नाम है जगदीश शुक्ला देशमुख जी। तो बड़े गर्व की बात है कि वे हमारे नवोदय के पूर्व विद्यार्थी हैं। तो उन्होंने 1993 में महाराष्ट्र के जलगांव नवोदय विद्यालय में प्रवेश प्राप्त किए 6वीं कक्षा में, और उन्होंने वहाँ पर 10वीं कक्षा में स्कूल फर्स्ट आए और फर्स्ट क्लास में स्कूल सेकेंड। तो इससे ही पता चलता है कि वे कितने होशियार हैं। और उन्होंने इसके बाद मुंबई में मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में उन्होंने बीटेक भी पूरा किए हैं, और बीटेक पूरा होने के बाद 8 साल तक उन्होंने इंजीनियरिंग, विभिन्न इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में लेक्चरर के रूप में भी काम किए थे, और बाद में उन्होंने मुंबई इस्कान से जुड़े हुए हैं। अभी उसका पिछले 10 सालों से उन्होंने तो पूरे देश के विभिन्न नवोदय विद्यालय तथा अन्य विद्यालयों में आपके जैसे छात्रों को प्रोत्साहित करते हुए उनको सद्मार्ग में चलाने के लिए तो उन्होंने अपने वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत करके आ रहे हैं। बड़ी सौभाग्य की बात है कि आज वे हमारे बीच में उपस्थित है। अभी तक उन्होंने पूरे 72 नवोदय विद्यालयों में अपने वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत किए हैं, पूरे 7 स्टेट्स में और 3 रीजन्स में, और 3 यूनियन टेरिटरीज भी है। वैसे ही 1000 से ज़्यादा अन्य विद्यालयों में भी उन्होंने आध्यात्मिक चिंतन को लेकर कुछ वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत किए हैं। उनकी बातों से बहुत सारे बच्चे बहुत प्रेरित हो गए हैं। तो उनका बस यही अरमान है, तो उनका जो ज्ञान है तो वह ज्ञान आप सभी को भी बांट देना चाहते हैं, आपको सन्मार्ग पर चलाना चाहते हैं। आप में एक अच्छे इंसानियत या आपको एक अच्छे इंसान के रूप में आपको बदलना चाहते हैं। फिर एक बार आप सभी की तरफ से मैं श्री जगदीश जी को हार्दिक स्वागत करते हुए अपने वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत करने के लिए मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for welcoming me at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Yanam. New places, so names are new. Many times students ask me, so what is the purpose of your visits, your coming to Navodaya school? Students ask. Last voice, can you listen me? Audible? My sound audible? Can you listen me? Okay, thank you. So I tell them that I consider all Navodayans as my own people, my own family members. So I have come to see you and then to serve you in small way, whatever possible. That's my motivation to serve. Because from Navodaya school only, we have been given the guideline. What was guideline given to us? Come to learn. Come to learn. And then go to serve. We have taken these simple words as our lifetime motivation, lifetime inspiration, that the purpose of our coming to school should be learning. Learning our subjects, good values, good skills, good etiquettes, and then using all our knowledge, all our capacities, all our skills in the service of society. Why? Because we have got so much from society. In Navodaya school especially, all our needs are fulfilled by society. Food, clothing, and then whatnot, all the facilities we get in Navodaya school. It's very special opportunity to make our life great and successful. So I speak about the life values, life skills, life science. Now I see that even 10th and 12th students also there. Are they here? 10th, 12th students? So I thank you for taking out your valuable time to be here. It's exam time now. They have exams next week. Very close now, exams. But I have seen, we don't need to fear or have any anxiety for exams. If we know that our purpose is learning, knowledge. Percentage marks is a small part. Simply by percentage, simply by marks, our value is not defined. Our value, our true value is defined by our behavior, by our conduct, by our mood, attitudes. So, and life is always challenge. In life, you will have many challenges, many difficulties, many tests, all time, daily basis. So you take these exams also as a small part. Don't think one small paper, one small exam as a whole life. No, because this will continue whole life. Some examination, some testing will be always happening. So don't take like so much seriously that if you get some less marks in one paper, you become so depressed, you become so demotivated, discouraged that you feel sad, very bad in life. No. Have the happy mood always that our life is very precious, very valuable. This life is not simply for these small exams. It's a small part. We have to study, we have to work hard, we have to endeavor nicely. But don't make your life's happiness dependent on the marks, on the percentage. That's my message. I was a topper for 10th, 12th in division that time. But I have seen simply marks, simply percentage does not make us happy. Our happiness is not in the marks, Our happiness is in the motivation we keep in our life. What is the motivation to study? What is the motivation to learn anything? I'll give example. Suppose someone is a champion in running, 1,000 meters running race, champion, world champion. But then something happens in the house or in the colony, somewhere there is a fire going on. कोई आग लगा है कई जगह पे. And this world champion runner is seeing that fire. उसने देखा आग लगा है. And there is nobody there, nobody else is there. He is the only person there, and seeing that some house fire is beginning. But this world champion runner is not feeling a need to get up and to do something for the fire which is burning the house now. So his skill of having such a great speed in running is of no use for the society's welfare or someone's benefit. He has the skill, but he has no motivation to help anybody, to do something well good for the society. So only the skills are not important, only the knowledge is not important. More important is our motivation, our values, that our life is for service. That's why Samiti says, after learning in the school, have the motivation to serve. So go to serve. And somehow that was my understanding in life, that after learning subjects, skills, values, I will use all my learning for serving. And after some job, 8 years lectureship in engineering college, after BTech, I chose to become full-time volunteer for social service. My nature was social life, so I chose monk life, so that full time I can devote for the service. All don't need to become like this. You all can have your own choice as per your nature, as per your skills and values. But if you can have motivation to serve, why service? Because we know that the only master is the सुप्रीम लॉर्ड. जो बोलते हैं सबका मालिक एक, जो बोलते हैं वो भगवान है. लॉर्ड इज द सुप्रीम मास्टर, भगवान स्वामी है. यदि भगवान एक ही है जो मालिक है, तो हम कौन हैं? हम सेवक हैं. क्योंकि मालिक का तो वैकेंसी नहीं है. देयर इज नो वैकेंसी फॉर मालिक, मास्टर, स्वामी. वैकेंसी किसके लिए है? सेवक के लिए है. सबका मालिक. तो सब जो कुछ भी है, ऑल द जीवास, ऑल द लिविंग बींग्स, ऑल द यूनिवर्सेस, अनंत कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक, दैट महाविष्णु लॉर्ड इज द ओनली मास्टर. एंड वी आर सपोज टू be with the master and serve as per his will, desire. Simple. हम सब भगवान के दिव्य अंश हैं. We all are divine parts of God as a soul, as a soul. One is body, physical body made of flesh and bones only. All the living beings, bodies are made of 5 elements. You know 5 elements? पंच महाभूत, भूमि, जल, अग्नि, वायु, आकाश. English, earth, water, fire, air, sky. These 5 elements make our physical bodies. And this body is always changing. You say growth, body is growing, but it's a change. You can remember your small or newborn photo, newborn baby photo, your first birthday photo. You must be having in your houses, in your homes. You can see that photo and today's photo, latest photo. Compare your bodies. Body has changed a lot. Your mother has to tell you that this was you that time. You cannot identify yourself 2 months old, 5 months old. You cannot recognize your own photo because that time body was so small. Now body has changed in size, shape, form. Body has changed. But your mother will say, my daughter, my son is the same. He is not changed. Because our identity is not because of the body, our identity is because of the divine soul, who is unchanging. With all the changes happening in the body, outside world, one thing is not changing, and that is our real self. That is our own soul, unchanging. That's why we feel, oh sir, I am the same who was playing in LKG, UKG with the toys. I am the same. I have not changed. As a person, as an individual, we are always the same. And that's a divine part of God. In Bhagavad Gita, it is mentioned all the holy books. It may be Bible, it may be Quran, all the holy books, Bhagavad Gita, Grantha Sahib. It is common knowledge that we all are the divine parts of the Supreme Lord. In Bhagavad Gita, that shloka is there. I will just chant. Mama evamsho jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatanaha manashashtani indriyani prakriti sthane kashati. 15th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, 7th shloka verse. Saying that, Lord Krishna is saying that all the living beings in the whole existence. What is existence? Billions of universes. How many? Billions, countless universes. Ananta Koti Brahmanda. What is Brahmanda? Universe. In one universe you see countless planets, countless stars in one universe. And how many such universes? Countless. Ananta Koti Brahmanda Naik. That is Lord Mahavishnu. So all the living beings in all the universes, all the planets, all the stars are the divine parts of the Supreme Lord. ये सभी भगवान के दिव्य अंश हैं जिनको बोलते हैं जीव. क्या बोलते हैं? जीवात्मा. जीव आत्मा. स्पिरिट सोल. स्पिरिट सोल. जीवात्मा. शब्दों पे ध्यान दीजिए. जीव है तो जीवन है. बॉडी में यदि जीव है तो जीवन है. यदि बॉडी में जीव नहीं है तो क्या बोलते हैं? निर्जीव. है ना? सजीव, निर्जीव. लिविंग, नॉन लिविंग. A dead body. Dead body has a body parts and body form, body size is there, body shape is there. But because there is no jiva, the soul in the body is non-living, dead body. The only difference between a living body and dead body is the soul. That one body has soul, jiva in the body, one body has no soul. That's why we say, oh, our grandfather left us, passed away. Body is with us, body is in front of us that time. After death, we see. You must be having the experience of someone's death in your family, nearby neighbor house, that we all say commonly, oh, he has left, she has left, she has passed away, he has passed away. Though body is there in front of us. By common sense we can understand who has passed away. The soul, the living being, the individual because of whom the body was functioning. Now because that soul has gone away, left the body, now body is of no use. Body is useless, dead. Nobody keeps dead body in the house because no use. It decomposes. All our value, all our life value is because of the presence of the soul. Till the time soul is there in the body has enormous, great value. Body has great value. Till what time? Till the soul is there. The moment soul goes out of the body, soul leaves the body, body has No value. We should know what is valuable. What is valuable? Today, society mostly gives a great value to paper money. Paper money only. Paper documents, paper certificates, paper mark sheets. They don't give value to the life, the person in the body, who is matchless, invaluable, most precious. We should know to respect. We should learn to respect the life, because life is a part of. Because life is because of God. Life is a gift of God. Not just human life. All the plants, all the insects, all the birds, all the animals are divine parts of God. सब भगवान के बच्चे हैं, सब भगवान की संतान हैं. That's why in our culture the concept is, the understanding is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That whole universe, not just planet, the whole universe is a family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Kutumba means family, parivar, family. So when you accept one Supreme Lord, when you know that ultimately there is only one Supreme Lord, because of whom this world is there, we are there, life is there. Because chemicals cannot produce life. Chemicals cannot produce life. By chance, this world cannot exist. There must be someone to create the world. Because you see, anything in this world, anything, any paper, anything, any object, a single chalk also, simple pencil also, needs someone to manufacture, to design, to plan, to create. And such a wonderful, such a beautiful, universal existence, how can it be without someone to plan, create? Not just create, this world is maintained also. This universe is maintained with some policies, some rules are there in the world. There is a cycle, there is a system in the world. We should see that our life is because of God. Believe me, that small understanding, that little faith also will give you so much empowerment. जब हम जानेंगे, when you understand, when you know that God is there with us, जो बोलते हैं ना, हिंदी में बोलते हैं, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता. आपको पता है? We'll sing for 2 minutes. इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता. सब गाइए, बोलिए, हाथ जोड़िए. इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता. लास्ट वॉइस ऑल्सो सिंग. भगवान से आपको शक्ति चाहिए कि नहीं एग्जाम के लिए? शक्ति बुद्धि काम में आएगी आपके लिए. बोलिए, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. दुर्ज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे. हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे. बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. हम ना सोचे हमें क्या मिला है. लास्ट वॉइस प्लीज सिंग. हम ना सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हमें सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण, फूल खुशियों के बांटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन, अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। जूनियर बॉयज प्लीज सिंग। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। सीनियर बॉयज, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। सो इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, वो दाता कौन है? दैट दाता इज द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड, भगवान है जो हमें जीवन दिए हैं। वन हु हैज गिवन अस लाइफ। दिस लाइफ इज अ गिफ्ट ऑफ गॉड। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, दिस लाइफ इज नॉट बाई चांस। अपने यहाँ बाई चांस ऑटोमेटिक ऐसे, नो पर्पस, नो एनी कॉज, नो। Our life is a great gift of God. Please understand. And God is all powerful. सर्वशक्तिमान। भगवान क्या है? सर्वशक्तिमान। ये भगवान अपने साथ में भी है। और जो बोलते हैं, तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही हो साथी, तुम्ही सहारे, कोई न अपना सिवा तुम्हारे, दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम। See, if this knowledge you can have that the Supreme Lord is your mother, your father, your brother, your friend, your companion, sathi, and support, sahara. And you will have so much empowerment, so much confidence, so much intelligence, peace of mind you will have. Like a small baby in the hands of mother. Small baby in the hand of mother is peaceful, smiling, seeing the world. No any anxiety that baby has, because that baby is with mother. Personally, baby has no much knowledge. Personally, baby has no much skills. Personally, baby has no much strength, capacity. But because that baby is with the mother, baby is so happy, blissful, smiling and making others smile. You see small babies, so loving they look. They look so cute or so charming they look. Why? They are happy, they are smiling, and they make the whole world smile because of their smile, innocent smile. Small thing, small baby, but so much happy. What is the cause of happiness? Bank balance? Any motor cash for the baby? No. The cause of the happiness of the baby is mother's association, mother's company, mother's shelter. In the same way, we all are divine sons and daughters of the Supreme Lord. हम सब भगवान के बच्चे हैं। जो बोलते ना कि बच्चे जो है भगवान के धाम के ना फूल है, ऐसे बोलते, गुलाब के फूल है, कमल के फूल है, ठीक है। हम सब देखिए, आप लोग स्कूल में आए हैं, आए कि नहीं? नहीं सर, पहले से हम लोग जब जन्म हुआ स्कूल में ही थे, ऐसा कोई है? नहीं। जब दुनिया बनी तब से हम दुनिया में स्कूल में है, ऐसा कोई है? We all have come to school some time back. हम कहाँ से आए आपको पता है? आप लोग कहाँ से आए स्कूल में? आप अपने गांव से आए. You have come from your native place. आप हमेशा के लिए हैं यहाँ पे? No. Sometime you are there. बाद में कहाँ जाते हैं वेकेशन में? In vacation you are happy to go back. Where? Your own native place. The same thing is about our life. वैसे ही जीवन का भी है. समझिए, हम दुनिया में आए हैं, हम भूल जाते हैं, हम सोचते हैं अभी हमेशा के लिए ही रहना है. We have to settle in the world. In this world nobody could settle. दुनिया में अब तक कोई सेटल हो नहीं पाया है. सब लोग आते हैं और फिर जाते हैं. ये दुनिया का सत्य है. दुनिया का सत्य है कि हम आते हैं, थोड़ा समय रहते हैं, बाद में जाते हैं. हाँ, बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति जो है, द इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन विल आस्क क्वेश्चन, विल इंक्वायर, मैं कहाँ से आया हूँ, फ्रॉम विच प्लेस आई हैव कम, सो दैट आई एम हैप्पी टू गो बैक व्हेन टाइम कम्स टू गो. देखिए, यदि हम इतना समझेंगे कि हम कहाँ से आए हैं, तो हमें जाने के लिए दुख नहीं होगा, चिंता नहीं होगी, भय नहीं होगा. आज क्या है, टुडे पीपल डोंट नो हम दुनिया में कहाँ से आए हैं, फ्रॉम विच प्लेस वी हैव कम टू दिस वर्ल्ड इन द बॉडी. सो दे आर फियर ऑफ डेथ. They are fear of death because they don't know what is the meaning of death. They don't know what happens after death. But our holy books, our scriptures, Bhagavad Gita mention that we all have come in these bodies, in this world. We have taken birth. We have come to this world from the spiritual kingdom of God. हम भगवान के धाम से आए हैं. इसलिए थोड़ा समय रहना है, जीवन का आनंद लेना है, जीवन का जो उपयोग है सेवा के लिए करना है, ज्ञान लेना है, जीवन को महान बनाना है. जब समय आएगा, when time comes to depart, happily we go back to our own place. See, this knowledge will give you empowerment, no fear of anything. You may be PM, you may be CM, you may be businessman, anything, but people have always fear of death. Why? They don't know many times that we are from the God's kingdom. There is no need to fear death because as a soul we never die. Please know this. Your physics, chemistry, mathematics will not help you in this life problems, life challenges. Death is a big challenge. ऐसा बोलते हैं, life is the time for preparation. Life is the time for preparation and death is the examination. Life is the time of preparation and death is the time of examination. Death is never the end. The end. सब कुछ खत्म हो गया. नहीं. Know it that death is not the end. Death is simply an exam. We have to prepare. How do we prepare for death? By knowledge. Which knowledge? Spiritual knowledge. Spiritual knowledge. The knowledge of the soul, knowledge of God, knowledge of holy books, scriptures will give you the information that, see, your 10th exam, 12th board exam have timetable. You have been given notice. This day, this time you will have paper. You know the centers. But for the exam of death, there is no notice. There is no any timetable. There is no any schedule or even location. But definitely that exam will come. That will be surprise test. Death is always surprise test. And those who prepare in advance, those who have done studies nicely in advance, they have no fear. They are ready for any surprise test because they have prepared themselves. Believe me, this small knowledge will empower you so much that you will have no fear of any examination, even death also. No fear because you know that There is no need to fear because you are something which is deathless. हम कौन हैं? अविनाशी तत्व हैं, अविनाशी, डेथलेस, अमर, अमर, डेथलेस, अजन्मा, बर्थलेस. Body is born, so body will be dead in some time. But soul is not born because soul is a part of God. Like God is not born, God is अजन्मा. भगवान क्या है? अजन्मा. So he is अमर. In the same way, because we are God's parts, God's divine souls, we also are ajanma and amar. By knowing this, you will have peace of mind, no anxiety, no fear, no any dukha, no suffering, no misery. कोई दुख नहीं होगा, आवश्यकता नहीं है, क्योंकि अपना जीवन क्या है? नित्य है. जीवन क्या है? नित्य. See, our modern science is not having this information. Why? Because modern science is based on human observation, human understanding, human experiment. And this knowledge, which is known as spiritual knowledge, spiritual science, is not based on human understanding, human observation. This is given by God Himself. That's why this knowledge is divine knowledge. दिव्य ज्ञान है. एक होता है भौतिक ज्ञान जो मनुष्यों ने बनाया है, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स. एक है दिव्य ज्ञान जो भगवान दिए हैं हम सब के लिए. ठीक है, ज़्यादा समय नहीं लेंगे. तो हमें ये बोलना है कि द मैसेज इज दैट आवर लाइफ वैल्यू इज बिकॉज ऑफ द सोल, नॉट द बॉडी. सी बॉडी में भी एनी साइज, एनी टाइप, नो प्रॉब्लम. We should respect life. We should respect life. That may be dog body, that may be cat body, that may be animal body, any plant body, any bird body, insect body also. We have to respect life. We cannot kill anybody because life is precious. God has given that life to that insect, even this plant also. God has given life. So we have to see the beauty of life, we have to respect life. I will end my talk in 5 minutes. I will speak about our Navodaya experience. That in Navodaya school, the teachers we get are very special. You must be having teachers before coming to Navodaya school, and you will have teachers after Navodaya school in college time. But such teachers you will never find who give their whole life, 24 hours, they are in the campus to guide us, to love us, to care us, and to help us in all the ways. So be thankful to teachers, because of mother, father are very far in their own places. But here these teachers together maintain us happily. So I have that feeling of gratitude. That yes, they are like your mother, father. Respect them as your mother, father. You will be happy. Some problems, some inconvenience is always there. Some places, कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ तो या कुछ समस्या होती है. But don't focus on the problems. Focus on the positive things, positive opportunities. See that, and use your time, use your फैसिलिटीज़ फॉर लाइफ डेवलपमेंट. अपने जीवन को अच्छा बनाने के लिए उसका उपयोग कीजिए. टीचर्स का जो भी गाइडलाइन होता है, जो भी सूचना होता है, उसका पालन कीजिए. और सबका सम्मान कीजिए. इंग्लिश में एक कहावत है, इन इंग्लिश वन सेइंग इज देयर, इन गिविंग वी रिसीव. क्या बोलते हैं? इन गिविंग वी. So in giving value, in giving respect to others, our teachers, our life will have value, respect. If you don't respect each other, if you don't give value to each other, then your life also will have no value. So for 10th and 12th students, I will just speak 1 minute that have no fear, have no anxiety for marks, percentage. डू योर बेस्ट पॉसिबल एंडेवर, डू योर बेस्ट पॉसिबल एंडेवर। अपना जो ड्यूटी है क्या है, पढ़ाई करना है। योर ड्यूटी इज़ टू स्टडी बेस्ट पॉसिबल, जितना होता है उतना पढ़ाई कीजिए, खुशी से आनंद से अपना एग्ज़ाम दीजिए एंड बी हैप्पी। हैव द मोटिवेशन टू लर्न knowledge, not just marks, and marks will come, position will come. Don't expect, don't worry about marks paper. People will see your behavior, conduct, that is more valuable than the marks. So don't have any anxiety for marks, percentage. You all are so scholars, intelligent that you have come to know this school. So I have faith that there is no need to worry about future. Your future is bright, I know it. I am seeing so many batches pass out from Navodaya school, my own school, many other schools, that Navodayan students do well in their life. Now all the field, teaching, engineering, medical field, administrative field, all these our Navodayan students do better than others. So I have that faith that there is no need to worry about anything. Have faith in God, that God is with us to help us, to guide us. Always, at least for 1 minute, pray to God, my Lord, please help me, please give me blessing. That will give you peace of mind, because God is the all-powerful force, Supreme Lord, our Mother, Father. So that connection you please remember, and always seek the blessings and help from teachers also, your family also, and be happy with your personal life. Be happy. There is no need to be unhappy. No need, because our nature is Satchidananda. Last minute. Our nature is Satchidananda. You know this word Satchidananda, Satchidananda? Sat means eternal, unchanging, Nitya. Sat. Satya, that word Satya comes from Sat. Sat means that which doesn't change. Sat. Atma is Sat, eternal, birthless, deathless, unchanging, चिन्मय, ज्ञानमय। आत्मा क्या है? ज्ञानमय है। सोल इज फुल ऑफ नॉलेज, सोल इज फुल ऑफ नॉलेज। एंड लास्ट पॉइंट, सोल इज आनंदमय। बाय नेचर ईच सोल, बाय नेचर ईच सोल इज हैप्पी, ब्लिसफुल, लाइक ए शुगर। बाय नेचर शुगर इज sweet. Sugar will never become salty or bitter, because nature of sugar is to be sweet. In the same way, the nature of our soul, our nature is to be happy, blissful, as a part of God. With this, I will end here. I wish you all the best. May God bless you. Thank you all. I thank our dear principal, Sir Shri Rao sir, all the teachers, and all of you for giving me this opportunity to share some knowledge with you. Thank you all. Today, one day, I will be in campus. So if anybody wants to meet me, come give some asking questions or say some comments, I'm there in the campus today till tomorrow morning. So you can meet me and you can consult me. Thank you all once again.
How can reduce this stress now that 10th and 12th students are involved?
I'll just take short time. That sir is asking me that for 10th and 12th students, they may be having stress. Do you have stress, 10th, 12th students? Do you feel some anxiety? आपको तनाव है? कुछ तनाव है? किसका तनाव है? देखिए, बड़े बच्चे हिंदी समझते हैं ना, 10th 12th स्टूडेंट्स आप हिंदी समझते हैं? हाँ, यस। तो आपको तनाव है कुछ? किस बात का तनाव है? तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि आवश्यकता नहीं है। भगवान आपके साथ है। क्या है? भगवान आपके, और आपके पास बहुत बुद्धि है, आपके पास बहुत अच्छा दिमाग है, तो चिंता मत कीजिए। आपने पढ़ाई किया है कि नहीं? कि नहीं किया है? पढ़ाई किया है ना? यस। यदि पढ़ाई किया है कुछ नहीं भी किया होगा, चिंता मत कीजिए, आपकी बुद्धि है, अभी भी समय है। ईच पेपर यू हैव गैप, है ना, 3, 4, 5 दिन का भी गैप है, तो चिंता मत कीजिए। एक छोटा पेपर के लिए आपने इतने साल पढ़ाई किया है, तो शांति से अपने मन को क्या है, शांत रखना है, चिंता नहीं करना है, क्योंकि उसकी आवश्यकता नहीं है। चिंता मत कीजिए, शांति से अपना मन को पढ़ाई में लगाइए, चिंता मत कीजिए। और थोड़ा भगवान का भी जो है नाम ले सकते हैं, हमने अनुभव किया है। बाय चांटिंग गॉड्स नेम्स, एनी नेम्स यू हैव फेथ, एनी नेम्स, बाय चांटिंग गॉड्स नेम्स यू गेट एम्पावरमेंट। यू सी मदर सरस्वती, विद्या की देवता है ना, गॉडेस ऑफ लर्निंग, शी ऑल्सो हैज़ बीड्स, chanting beads, देखा आपने? Mother Saraswati has got chanting beads. Why? To chant God's names. Your Lord Shiva has chanting beads. In all religions, people have beads to chant God's names. So by chanting God's names, at least for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, we connect to God. We connect to God. By that connection, you get relaxation. Your mind becomes relaxed. All your load, anxiety, stress goes away. That's my personal experience. That by some pranayam also, pranayam, breathing exercise, by some asana, shavasana. You know shavasana? That helps in giving away all the bodily strain. तान तनाव हम निकाल सकते हैं शवासन से, थोड़ा ध्यान से भी कर सकते हैं। और अपने मन में खुशी रखो, बी हैप्पी, कीप हैप्पीनेस, बी हैप्पी दैट लाइफ इज नॉट जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम, लाइफ इज अबाउट फॉर हैप्पीनेस, लाइफ इज अबाउट our services. So you have always scope for serving, doing good in life. Don't depend on marks and papers. Do your best. What I say? Do your yes. जितना आपका क्षमता है, बुद्धि है, उतना लगाइए. Nobody will stop you. Nobody is stopping you for using your capacity to study. Do your best. Be happy, and then your life will be great, successful. Okay, thanks. If anybody has any questions, any personal inquiry, you can meet me. किसी का पर्सनल कुछ समस्या है, कुछ तनाव है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, मुझसे मिल सकते हैं. That is better. Okay, thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, आपने बहुत सुंदर ढंग से और बहुत सरल भाषा में हमारे बच्चों का ज्ञान बढ़ाने के लिए और उनको जीवन से उनको परिचित करा दिया है. तो भाई మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటాను సార్ చెప్పింది చాలా ముఖ్యంగా. సో ఈ జీవితం, మానవ జీవితం, మన జీవితం, మన విలువలు, ఒక జీవితం తన విలువ అంటే మన గుర్తించాలనుకుంటే మన విలువను బట్టి ఉంటుంది. మీరు మాట్లాడే పద్ధతి కానివ్వండి, మీరు ఇతరులకు ఇచ్చేటువంటి గౌరవం కానివ్వండి, మీరు చేసినటువంటి పనుల వల్ల కానీ ఇదంతా ఒకరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఎవరు మనందరినీ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు, ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్. సో గాడ్ సార్ అలాగే అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు, మీకు తెలియదు, సార్ కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు. సో గాడ్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో అందువల్ల చాలామంది ఏమనుకుంటారంటే ధార్మికుల్లో ఎవరు లేరు, నేను నా భాష ఏమో ఎలా మాట్లాడినా పర్లేదు, లేకపోతే ఎవరు చూడలేదు, నేను ఏదైనా పాట చేసినా పర్లేదు స్కూల్లో, లేకపోతే ఏం మాట్లాడినా పర్లేదు అని అనుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. కాకపోతే